If you're looking for a nice street rod, check out this 1938 Chevrolet Master Deluxe two-door. Nice looking street rod. This is powered by a 355 Chev underneath the hood. 400 horse small block. Does have a 700 R4, so it's an automatic transmission with overdrive, paired up with the 355 V8. Also has power steering, power brakes, vintage air. I have not worked the air on this one to see if the compressor turns on and off or if it blows cold, but it is an accessory underneath there. Riding on billet specialty wheels. As you can see, front disc brakes. It also has Air Ride Technologies suspension at all four corners, so it does have the Air Ride on all four corners. Front end is a Camaro, 1974. Front subframe underneath there. By the way, this body is steel. The rear fenders are steel and the running boards are steel. Front fenders are glass. As you can see, I got it raised up just a little bit of the stance on it, and the back raised up. I could lower that. Again, front and rear can be lowered. See, the rear taillights are Frenched in. If you want to check out the still pictures of this car, please feel free to check the still pictures out. UniqueClassicCars.com. You can also give us a call, too, if you have any questions on this vehicle. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Be happy to assist you with the transportation of this car to where you're located at. Financing is available. We do consider trades. Paint color on this is a PPG, teal green clear coat paint, some pinstriping on it. We'll start her up here shortly so you can hear her run. Check out underneath the engine compartments. It paints a nice driver quality paint, I'd say. Has a decent shine and luster to it. There are a few little nicks around the gas cap in the rear, but as far as up in the front, not a lot of imperfections. You'll find some. It's a little older build. I can see a little bit of stress if I can get it to show up right there in the picture, but again, nothing that stands out of the ordinary. Again, the steel body, steel running boards, steel rear fenders. Front ones are glass. I'll show you that one other little spot back here, just where there's a little nick. Guy took a little touch-up paint, could fix that up. Like to show them the way they are. You can check out the underside pictures. You want to see what this looks like on the underside. There is a battery shutoff in the trunk back here. Check out the still pictures. You can see the interior, undersides. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Show the interior here. And the cloth / tweed interior. And a very, very, very light teal, equipped with seat belts, VDO gauges, tilt steering column, and an aftermarket style tack up there on the dash. More modern CD player. Again, there's the shifter on the floor for that automatic. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. There's the compressor, kicks on. Fire up that 355 V8. It's got a nice little rumble to it. See, the stereo powers up. It appears gauges are all working. Check out the headliner. It's nicely finished off with the inside too. Nicely that door closes. Slip around to the back here so you get an idea what that V8 rumbles like. Nice sounding car. I'm going to go up to the front here, pause this a second, and I'll pop that hood on each side and let's take a look at the engine bay. Alright, here we go. Like I said, power steering, power brakes, brake booster would be underneath the car. Again, power steering with your AC compressor. Finished off nicely with some chrome. Air cleaner and valve covers. There is a pusher fan on the radiator, I noticed. Diamond plating firewall. It's dressed up kind of nice underneath there. Little old school hot rod look. Come around here, see where everything's plumbed. Nice and tidy, nice setup. 1938 Chevrolet street rod, teal green clear coat, 355 underneath the hood, nicely equipped. Once again, still pictures, check them out, uniqueclassiccars.com. Feel free to give us a call, 507-386-1726. Of course, we do consider trades, financing is available, and we can sure assist you with getting this car to where you're located at. Give us a call.